Part 3. You grab a little bit of tape, then put it right here. Then put it right here. Yes, like that. Then you grab a piece of paper, and then you use it to twist it around like this. And then you cut it out like so. You cut it, and cut it like this. And then you put it right on the top. And then you use add a little bit of tape over here. Yes, like so. Another piece right here. And another piece right here. Like that. Now we use the face. Now we draw the face. You just make a circle like last time. Then you cut it out. And then you use it like last time. And then when it's ready to get hard, then you use more tape. Then you use another piece of duct tape. Then you put it right here. Then like this. Yes, like this. Then you take some black paper to cut off to make the ears. You just do it like last time. See?